Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Elliott Wave Street Analysis. It's a pleasure to be with you today, and we are going to cover some markets. Don't forget to visit elliottwavestreet.com. Under About Us, you will find the full disclaimer. Here is the euro. We are seeing on the euro the price climbing. The entire last week, the euro was climbing and climbing. Um, have you ever wondered what happened when you are looking for the breakout of the trend line? When you are looking for the breakout of a trend line, and for example, here the price goes down, and that's the breakout of the trend line. Should you take a short trade right there? Do you think that's a good idea? Well, clearly we already know what happened here, wasn't? But how to avoid those bad trades? Because on technical analysis, when the price does the breakout and then the price continue higher, making a higher high, what we do is we adjust the trend line and we have a new trend line. But how to avoid those trades? How to avoid those trades? Well, we have some techniques that you can watch on our daily videos with knowing how to avoid them with a simple pattern that you can learn on the daily videos. So here we are looking for the price to complete the wave 4. This has been a really deep wave 4, and if we add the Fibonacci retrace, the target that we have on the euro is the 113.67 for this week. Once the price starts reversing and completes the pattern that you can receive on our subscription service, then we're going to start following the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence down to make a lower low. Don't forget that on the weekly chart, the price is at the market extreme. We are almost there at the end of this market cycle. So there is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence for the wave 1 blue. The plan will be to have on the weekly chart just a lower low, move back to the 111.58. Could be at the end like a double bottom, that W pattern that happens at the market extreme. But once the price completes this leg down, we have to be ready because the target is going to be the 121 area for the wave 2. And that, of course, is going to be a buy trade. So in the meanwhile, make sure if you are trading the euro to have this weekly trend line. Because once we have the breakout of that weekly trend line, that's going to be a big signal that the entire cycle for wave 1 it's over, and it will be time to start buying euros. Let's take a look at the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is one of my favorites for this week. I'm looking on the dollar CAD to find the end of this wave 2. The price already started to drop, building the 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need one more, the wave 5. It's pending, the wave 5. Once we have the wave 5, then a 3-wave sequence will be happening there, and we are going to take the short trade. To receive the precise level for this trade, please take our subscription. And we provide you the stop loss and everything. But here, once the price breakouts, that's a confirmation, and we are going down. Targets on the dollar CAD. The minimum target will be the 130.69. But if the wave 3, the big wave 3 starts on the daily chart, we are going lower, 127, 123 area. So the difference of any random game, like a casino game, where the price, if you chart the results of any of these random games, the chart will be like this. So that's why with all these random games, the casino games, then you are going to end losing a lot of money, because it's going to be hard to trade or to make money better on a chart like this. But the difference with the financial markets is that we have trends. And with the trends, your winners, when you make money, it's going to be more than when you lose money. So the risk-reward ratio, it's a key element to be successful on these markets. So when we are using Elliott wave, the plan is to capture most of the times the wave 3, that is the strongest leg. So with one trade that we make some good money, we can recover from others that we might lose money. So that's why the money management is so key to trade these markets. And the same is true not just for Forex. You know, if you trade the stocks, if you trade cryptocurrencies, if you trade futures, it's going to be exactly the same. And here is the S&P. The S&P, we have been bullish on the S&P. The price was able to break out the 28.19th. And we are seeing now that the price is breaking that resistance area. On the S&P, once we have a 5-wave sequence down, will be a deeper move down. For example, here we have only a 3-wave sequence, and look what happened. The price continued climbing. So the difference between a 5 and a 3 is key. But here on the S&P, we're looking for more bullish price action this week. 29.20 area would be a good level to follow during the week. We need more momentum. Now, the emergency thing that could happen is, for example, if the price here starts building a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence, and then we have a 3 up. Actually, that would be a short trade. You're not going to buy this thing. So during the road, we have a big picture here, and during the road, we need to watch every day what happens. And if for example, we have a 5-wave sequence down, then we need to make something different. So that's why it's key to follow the market and make sure we are in the right direction. If you want to receive this analysis every day, and not only on these three instruments, we cover a lot more, please visit the ElliottWaveStreet.com, then go to the membership link that is on the top menu. I really like to teach using live markets, so every day you're going to learn new things. It's not just analysis. I explain techniques to trigger the trades, to manage the trades. So if you scroll down on this page, you will find at the end the button to subscribe. So you will receive the daily analysis and also weekly analysis on all these instruments, and a daily video with analysis where I cover all these instruments, and some pending orders, swing trades, around 4 to 6 per month, because our swing trades with precise stop, loss, entry, and target. And on the daily video, you will receive more trade ideas for day trading, for scalping, for example. So you can take your subscription for just $19 the first month, then $75. You can cancel anytime. Just send us an email if you want to cancel. That's it. And the payments are recurring. So you subscribe here and you start receiving immediately. You will receive immediately your username and password to start being part of our service. I have been doing this since 2011, providing wave counts, providing the best information for you to trade every day. So thank you for your time. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the service. Take care. Bye-bye.